So our goal is we want to give you the best opportunity to learn from us. Also, we want to take a little bit and we want to take any of that knowledge that you guys can share with us and help us be better. But also don't miss the opportunity to network amongst yourselves. I think some of the best I've seen long-term relationships develop between guys just coming to a training. Really, our house is your house. If you need something special, just let us know. At the end of the day, knowing more never hurts you, right? And there's always something to learn.